Good morning, friends. Today I will discuss about National Instruments NI MyRIO. Good morning, friends. Now I will tell you how to generate digital signal using NI MyRIO. For that purpose, first we have to create project a NI MyRIO blank project. So I select MyRIO. It takes some time in starting, so just MyRIO project. So here is my project. You have to just check this NI MyRIO and here is your serial number. This should be there. If it is not there, there is some problem in hardware connection. So next we have to create a VI in a project. For that purpose, here is my untitled project 3 and here is my MyRIO. You have to just create a new VI. So this is my VI. So over here, first I use Express VI. For that purpose, I go to MyRIO and here is my digital output Express VI. You have to just drag and drop. It will ask you what is the pin number. So in this case I am using port C, pin number 2. So just OK. And you have to create a control signal for this Express VI. So here I just take a push button and now I connect it to my Express VI, and for continuous data I create a while loop over there. So this is the software part. Now we have to go to our hardware part. So for that purpose, so in the hardware part, here is my breadboard and here is my MyRIO. Here is my ground pin and this is my digital pin number 2 of port number C, and here is my LED. This is my positive and this is my negative. So when I hit run button from my lab view, it will deploy my program to NI MyRIO, and when it is done or it is completed successfully, so when I hit on boolean, it takes some time. When I hit on boolean, my LED goes on, as you see in the hardware part. When I hit off, it goes off. So this is the part how you generate a digital signal using Express VI in MyRIO. So in the next part I am using low level programming. So for that purpose I just delete it. You have to go to your MyRio low level programming, digital input output. For again we have to open. These are the basic building blocks. You have to close, and in this case we have to write. So I just connect these, and some simple error handler is there, and here is my channel. I have to select port C, digital pin 2. Here is my digital pin. So this is the software part. In this I have to give values. For that purpose I create a blank array. In this array I select push button, and this push button is connected to this. So first I have to initialize this, because if you didn't initialize this, it gives some error. So again I hit on run button, and hardware connections are same. It will save my program. In the starting my signal is high, or I generate a high signal. When it complete, so my LED goes high, and when I off this, LEDs goes off. So this is the program how you can generate a digital signal. Thank you.